If you do that, come April, I promise you will never be out of money. And this lady did it and she was like, oh my God, I've got like $10,000 left over. Like, thank you guys. I've been a CPA for almost 10 years now. Every time we get a new client that comes to us during the year, before tax season has started, we are generally able to prepare them for the upcoming tax season. And if they work with us, they're really never surprised at what they owe or what they're getting back, just because we've been doing it so long. When you do something for a decade, you tend to get pretty good at it, and most of our clients really love that. One of the easiest ways to plan ahead for taxes, the easiest way, there's very complex ways about doing research credits. We're not gonna focus on that because that's not most people. The easiest way is to save for taxes. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's just make it super simple. For every dollar that you make, so if somebody pays you $100, take 15% of that, put it in a savings account, and don't touch it until tax time. That's literally the easiest way. One of our clients this spring, we filed their taxes in April of 2024. She met with us probably about a year ago, so around July of 2023. She said, guys, I'm so scared about taxes. What do I do? I said, Ashley, put away 15%. For every dollar you make, transfer $15 to a savings account, don't touch it, and then use that money in April. Well, she followed our advice exactly to the T. April came, she's like, oh my God, like I had like way more for taxes. Now I can invest this money into a retirement plan. We're like, thank you for listening to us, Ashley. For the majority of people, a really good tax plan, it's not how much you can save, it's how feasible is it that you can actually implement it, right? I can give you the most complicated tax plan with S corps and parent companies and LLCs in Wyoming that are owned by trust. I can do that. Let's be honest, nobody's doing that. That's so complicated. The easiest practical step that most taxpayers and business owners are gonna be is to save for taxes. Get that bill, so if a client pays you $100 or $1,000, transfer over 10 to 15% into a savings account. Do not touch it until April of that year, and you will never run out of money. That's the easiest way to plan for taxes. You wanna be keeping accurate books and also meeting with your advisor throughout the year. So for example, June and July are very popular times for meeting with your accountant, because you could say, hey, you might be saving too much for taxes. You need to save more. That way you have 6 to 8 months to prepare for that, not 30 days.
Yeah. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all